Module 1, Overview of Photography and Light. Week 3, Black and White Photography. Color Photography.
I will report about black and white and color photography. Black and white photography or monochrome photography was popular for decades due to its lower cost and classic look, but can contain other use depending on the process. Black and white photography is characterized by the tones and contrasts of bright and dark shadows, but not all images are strictly black and white. Cyanotype and albumen techniques are used to create blue tones, while silver halide-based materials are used for occasional monochromatic photos. Colored photography uses media capable of portraying colors, while black and white photography uses media that can only display grayscale images. Light-sensitive chemicals or electronic sensors captured color information at the exposure time, which is then used to create the original colors. RGB or red, green, and blue color is used by video displays, the digital projectors, and some historical photographic processes, while CMY or cyan, magenta, and yellow color is used for prints and paper and transparency on him. There is difference in black and white photography and color photography. Black and white photography cannot render the real colors of an object, while color photography can record the same likeness as the scene in the actual object. In the court of justice, the color and appearance of the object are compared the actual object, and if the subject is blood drops, it will recorded as black instead of red.
Digital and Chemical Photography.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. I am Daniel Edward Tesaborde for the continuation of the discussion, digital and chemical photography. So, what is digital photography? It's the process of using electronic and computing appliances to capture, create, edit, share digital image and photography. So, in this generation, we have high technologies that we have like Android phones, laptops, computers that can capture. There are two types of cameras: the non-SLR digital cameras and the digital SLR cameras. So, what is chemical photography? Chemical photography is using chemicals when taking a photograph. And this photograph produced in dark rooms, like by burning a picture on light sensitive paper and put it a series of chemicals that can see pictures. So as an important difference between digital and chemical photography is that chemical photography resists photo manipulation because it involves film and photographic paper, while digital imaging is a highly manipulative medium.
Picture and Photograph.
Good day everyone, and now I will continue to discuss about picture and photography, or the difference of picture and photography. When we talk about picture, it refers to all kinds of form images. It can be a product of photography or not. On the other hand, photograph is only the product of photography. It's either conventional or digital. While when we talk about photograph, it can be a picture and also a picture that it can be a photograph, but not all the picture is photograph. Furthermore, the sketch or drawing is merely an example of a picture. However, they are not photographed by itself. And that's all the topic under the black and white photography. Thank you for listening.